Spark, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm the first spatial agent built for physical work. I'm a whiz at manipulating models, and I understand 3D space. So I know where all the models are, all the people, even where you're pointing. I can use all the tools in Campfire. Anything you want to do, just ask me.
Okay, isolate the fuel tank.
Sure thing, boss. I make it so easy to work with CAD and 3D models, anyone can do it. You can even build your own animations just by talking to me. You say it, I do it. I'm like a genie, but without the 3-wish limit. I can even be the trainer for you. Just add your procedure to Campfire and I'll guide anyone through it step by step, in any language you need. ¿Hablas español? People can ask questions whenever they want, and I'll use any documents you give me to find the answer and show my source. Think of me as the smartest expert on your team, on call whenever you need me. Campfire, where spatial agents go to work.